Right guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. As you can see, getting some lovely rain at the moment. Been really dry this year. Nice to see this, but as you saw on the title and thumbnail, heading back down to B&M and Morrison's today. Stay tuned, did find something quite cool at Morrison's towards the end, so certainly check that out. But let's jump straight down to store and show you what's in store. So we decided to pop back into B&M first, and as you can see here, we've got our standard summer bedding, the trolleys here being the new stuff in, £3.50 on those. Pretty good offer, and again, summer bedding's kind of coming to the end. Got the chrysanthemum pots here at £22.50. Pretty good bargain. I mean, look, it's very full. Now here's what a lot of it to come in is the kind of evergreens, the hardiness, eucomis here. You know, I do quite like these. Great to pair with your tropicals. See the kind of variegation you get in the leaves there. Great if you're kind of looking to kind of fill that evergreen border. Again, we've got the Akuba here, just £4, or 4 for 10. Really good offer on those, I would say. Again, if you want to get that evergreen background. Standard kind of flowering hebes here. As you can see, lots of other kind of varieties on that side. Next to that, we've got the cherry laurel coming in £8.50. Pretty good price, good size on that. And again, you know, great for that evergreen background. You're trying to create kind of a hedge or things like that. Up here, we got the azalea japonica. And I've got quite a few of these in the garden. You may have seen flowering. £4.50, can't go wrong on those. That will also be an evergreen for you. Just coming around. So you've got some plant pots on the ground, the Trachycarpus that has been here for a few weeks now, looking a bit worse for wear. You can see the Phoenix canariensis in the back here, Yucca Jewels as well. Again, these have all been here since a couple weeks. This one probably being the better choice, but still you can see leaves browning off here. You know, I've had a few of these and, you know, they do push out new growth, and you can see the new growth there, but with that said, looking a little worse for wear from what we've seen. You can see here we've got some of the Formium coming in at just £16.50. Again, if you want to get you know, that in the ground now should be absolutely fine. Phoenix canariensis, one's got 2 in the pot. Again, I'm not huge on planting these in my area, don't do very well. And we've got the £65 Trachycarpus smaller palms. Now these, I do think they were a bit of a better bargain, £37.50 at the beginning of the year, but still in stock now, looking okay. As we just come this way, you can just see here some more of the kind of standard bedding plants, your dahlias here. Quite a few things on offer, I'm noticing, sort of 50% off. So great if you're kind of trying to pick up a bargain at this time of year. Lovely heuchera here, £8.50. Now these I do like. I love the kind of, you know, underside of the leaf and the leaf pattern you get. See that brilliant copper there, looks absolutely lovely. A few different varieties here, and great kind of as kind of ground fillers. Canna not doing great. Another Musa not doing great, both on offer. Some more of the heuchera here, as you can see. Got some more of the kind of standard shrubs into the discount aisle. You can see some of the acers on discount, $18.75 down from $37.50. Pretty good bargain. Some of them don't look great. Some more of the grasses, all on offer here, as you can see. Again, pretty good offers if you're looking for kind of a bargain. A lot of these are still in good health, so worth kind of taking a look at. This is at the Colville store, by the way, guys, in Leicestershire, UK. So if you're after kind of coming to check out this, you can see lots more of the standard bedding here. Looking down, as we keep looking down, there's quite a bit on offer, and again, quite a bit to choose from if you're looking for annuals and bedding still. What we'll do is jump straight over to Morrison's here. Very small little plant corner. You can see they do have quite a few varieties of chilies on offer. Pretty good deals on these as well. Great, we're, you know, still end of the year. We've got a few months left, worth kind of still considering. Down here at the bottom, got some of the Sempervivum, and you can also see some of the ferns. Great price on those little ferns. Get them in the ground now, should be absolutely fine for £3. Again, just taking a look here, another type of fern, a little bit larger pot. Get the Ethereum. They've also got the Doropterus. This is the Cristata the King. As you can just see here, love these little cool little tufts on the end. Worth taking a look at, certainly for the price. Lots of fruit trees looking sorry for themselves here. You can just see they are on offer, you know, down to £5, which, again, if you get that in the ground, it may do all right and recover, but still kind of on the verge now. Little ivy as well, lots of variegation, great price on those. And you can just see over here, got some of the more standard kind of bedding as well. Some really sad looking Formiums on this one, down to £9. I don't know if I would go for those. Just as we come over this way, this is one of the ones I wanted to show you. Just following this, more to your Doropterus ferns. That's your Aerosaura Brilliance. Great offers, £5 on those. And here we go. I think the star of today is the Mongave, coming in at just £7. Now for me, I haven't found these completely ground hardy, but some have, so worth taking a look at for the price. I'd say that's an absolute bargain for those. Good little plants. Some of them have pups in there. And we've also got an outdoor Fatsia japonica, just £7. Great if you really want to get into that. So we're just in my garden now. As you can see, my Fatsia, 3 years old, looking pretty good. Does well on the ground for me. But with that said, yeah, well, you know, absolute bargains in B&M for the most part. Morrison's always worth checking out. You know, as it's coming towards the end of the year, I think we're kind of getting down to kind of the last stuff now. But I'll try and keep you guys up to date. You can just see my Cycass is putting out a new flush. Just we walk around here. But yeah, keep you up to date, guys, and make sure you're, you know, the first to know when new stuff does come in. We are just about to release our how to build a small pond and waterfall video. Certainly keep your eyes out and check that out as it does come out. Of course, if you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, be sure to do so. Be in the comment section below, as well as if you're not subscribed, certainly feel free to do so. Join our amazing community. But yeah, with that said, of course, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.